What's up everybody, my name is Jay and welcome back to my Tech Vault, and I wanted to make a really separate video, something different than I usually don't do, is I wanted to make a video just saying, or talking about the season, and of course, talking about Christmas and wishing you all a Merry Christmas. I also want to go over a couple of the stuff that's coming up at the end of 2018, and just go over some of the things I'm looking forward to in 2019, some of the good things to look out for, and yeah, that's going to be about it. So first off, Merry Christmas. I know it's a day early. It is the 24th at the time of recording this video. Now obviously I don't post videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Those are my days off, so I'm not going to post one, especially because it's Christmas. So just keep that in mind, as this video is kind of touching on that, and I want to make kind of a video talking about that. Yeah, Merry Christmas. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, then Happy Holidays. And then the other thing, some of the things we got coming up, I'm going to be working some more on the $30 PC. It's not done, but it is under the tree at the moment for my brother. And basically I'm going to set that up to give to him. I got some stuff in the mail, so when the Wi-Fi card comes and his new monitor and all that stuff comes, we'll do a whole video of like setting that all up, mounting that all on there, and getting a whole nice all-in-one PC to kind of bring around for LAN parties. That will be one thing. Also, this Wednesday I may end up doing like a setup tour. I got to clean up, but I probably will be getting some stuff over Christmas that will be good for some audio stuff, things like that. So I'll probably be maybe doing a setup tour over Christmas, or on the Wednesday after, or so the day after Christmas. And then I've also thinking about doing a stream at the on New Year's, maybe doing like, or New Year's Eve, doing like a stream just talking about stuff, maybe like at the end of the year, kind of a live stream with y'all. I don't know how many people actually will attend, but it will just be a little bit chill down. It'll be really chill, kind of like the Tech Talk live streams we used to have at the beginning of this channel. I'll probably just go through and sit down and talk with people. It'll be more really chill. If you're into something like really laid back and just one-on-one conversation, that's probably what I'm going to end up doing there. And then some of the things I'm looking forward to in 2019. Well, first off, 2019 has a lot of rumors, and obviously last year, for 2018, we had a lot of rumors that we were going to get some new, what happened? Intel had just released the 8700K. We had gotten a lot of interesting, we thought Ryzen 2 was, Ryzen 2000 series was going to be pretty good, and it was okay. The Intel was okay, overpriced on what they released this year. So but the rumors weren't that good. This year we got some good rumors. We got AMD with a 3000 series, 5.1 gigahertz base on the, or boost on the 3850X, which looks pretty interesting. So there's a lot of good things that I'm really excited for 2019 to see what happens, because we got the Radeon 3000 series, we got the AMD Ryzen processors. Hopefully Intel will come back with something after that. We got some like 28 core i9s from Intel that are rumored. It's just a lot of interesting stuff. I'm excited to see like what actually happens, like what actually comes to reality, and then of course there's a lot of different things that in this course of this channel over the last year have happened as well. And as I said, I want to kind of take this video just to look back at some of the things that I really enjoyed from 2018. And so, first thing I would say is the first thing I really enjoyed was starting to get some free stuff. And I mean, I don't mean to be like, no way in any way is this channel about getting super rich or anything. That's not what you're going to get on YouTube. But no, that was a really good moment to, obviously I think I started off with like some cable clips or something. That was the first free thing I got. And I mean, I have a little pile now of all the stuff that I've gotten, like, oh, just the boxes. I keep the boxes because, that's good memories and stuff. But no, that was a really good thing that I enjoyed in 2018, is, being able to, work on this channel, and then, get some free stuff. Some of the stuff now I use on a daily basis. Heck, this mouse and keyboard over here I was using to test the $30 gaming PC, and that's so grateful having another setup or another keyboard and mouse that I don't have to, a decent one that I don't have to like transfer and bring my current keyboard and mouse over, and that was all free. So just the things in 2018 was just being able to start getting a few free things. Obviously nothing special, but it was just really nice. I mean, at some point I'd love to get like a full PC free, but I don't think that's happening. I really enjoy doing that. And then the other thing I wanted to look forward to and what I want to work on is I've got a couple of projects in the work. I'm planning on starting the computer building business just so that YouTube can have a little bit better content, doing more computer builds, more hands-on with hardware, more benchmarking, more testing, and that will allow me to do that as well as build computers and make a couple of dollars on the side. And then also, I have a project that I'm working on that is computer related that I am, it's some software that I'm working on that is pretty dang impressive, and it will probably be done in a couple months, maybe a month or so. I'm working on it. I've gotten a lot done already over Christmas, and it will be pretty much done quite soon, and when it's done I'll be making a video talking about it, but it's some very, very interesting stuff that's in the works. And I'm excited to share it with y'all, but I don't want to give away too many details. So that's going to wrap it up for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, whatever you celebrate, and hope to see you right back here in a couple days and next year. So yeah, goodbye.